The setup might be overkill for what we're going to do today, but I wanted to test it out, so here we are. My name is Amy Mantis, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite exercises to play using the major scale. I was enlightened to playing in thirds later in life than I would have liked to. So what do I mean when I say playing in thirds? Oftentimes we practice our scales just up and down. And that's great. We need to learn our scales before we can do all the cool stuff that we want to do on the instrument. But we can add cool things to our scale practice that I overlooked until relatively recently in my life. So playing in thirds means instead of just going, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, we start on the root note and then go up a third. And repeat the process. That was very, very slow. I'm going to play it at a slow tempo so you can play along, but not quite that slow. So I'm going to do the whole 2-octave B-flat major scale using thirds. When you get to the E flat to G on the B and the G strings, let me play it one more time. My instinct is to grab third finger, fourth finger, but you could do third finger, third finger. It really comes down to whatever you can do consistently, comfortably, and at varying tempos. I don't know how fast I could get this, but this I could do a lot faster. So one more time. And I'm going to put the metronome on for real. I've been waiting a long time to use this, and I feel like this is a little overkill. But you know what? I'm here for it. Okay, so we'll go to 60. It's quiet. I can hear it. You might not be able to, but that's really all that matters. Because if I'm in time, you're in time. Don't play like that. So phase one is practicing, phase one really is getting the major scale under your fingers. If you don't have that pattern memorized, then I wouldn't even try this yet. If you're comfortable with your major scale in this position, go ahead and go for this. If you're really comfortable with it, go backwards. So we get to here. So I had to play that all together in one fell swoop. It would sound and look like this. Something like that.